Evening guys, it's Corinne from Corinne Marie Designs. Thanks for joining me today. I started filming and lost the footage, so you're joining me halfway through. I'm making a card with the Painted with Love DSP. This is a 4 inches by 6 inches piece on a 6 by 12 powder pink card base, which I folded in half for 6 by 6. We're going to lay this. I have stamped the petal palette, I Just Love You and the dots in Versamark onto some vellum. This is an inch off of the bottom of the A4 sheet. So we've already heat embossed that in gold, as you can see. Very pretty. So I wanted to probably lay that like that on there, and we will use some fast fuse to pop that down. So I hope you're having a great week this week. All systems go here because of Celebration and the Spring Summer catalogue. So everybody's going mad with buying up, getting all of their goodies and their freebies. Check out my blog if you don't know what's happening. If you want a catalogue, by all means email me or request one on my blog. The website's in the bottom information box. If you want to know more, I'm always just a phone call away. Please do get in touch. So I have fast fused that down to my DSP. I think I quite like having I'll have that centerized in there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fast fuse that down onto my card base. Let's make sure this is straight, so that I can kind of line it up nice and straight onto there like that. Gorgeous. God, I do love this DSP. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Now, I did cut some gold cardstock, which I think might look quite nice, popped up against that DSP just for a little added texture. So let's go ahead and add some fast fuse. I can keep it straight. Oh my goodness. This is why I use fast fuse, because I am lethal when it comes to liquid glue. I'm sure you'll see it on one of my tutorials one day when I use it. I get it everywhere. I do it the same with this, but at least with this I can unstick myself, whereas I get the other glue everywhere. I'm just going to pop my bone folder over that just to put it down. And then run some on there. Oh dear, I'm going all over the place. Ah! Oh, what a mess. So, here we go. Let's pop some up there. That's gold foil, by the way. That is a centimetre that way. And obviously 6 inches to go with the card. So, I'm quite happy with that. Look at that shine. How pretty. So there we go. So quick and simple, but that DSP, it just shows itself off, doesn't it? So, voila. There is one for Valentine's Day. Okay, lovely to see you. Thank you for joining me today. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.